Hey pilots, welcome here to Sporty. This week we set up shop in beautiful Lakeland, Florida. We're here all week for the Sun and Fun trade show. Brought loads of new products and tons of deals. Let's go check them out. Emergency backup radio is essential for any pilot in their flight bag. This year we brought out the brand new PJ2 GPS radio. Features include an integrated GPS, Bluetooth capability, built-in intercom, color screen, and the standard GA headset plugs right on top. You can check out the complete line of Sporty's radios here at Sporty's tent at Sun and Fun. Swing by the tent and try out all of our favorite headsets. As you can see, we brought 6 of you guys to try on, test, talk to real pilots about, and walk away with a great deal. We know pilots love their gadgets. Come by the tent. We have plenty of pilot tech for you to look at. We have a series of different Garmin smartwatches, all the ADS-B, including the Sentry Mini, Sentry, and the Sentry Plus. Swing by to Sporty's tent and check out these pilot workshop manuals. They all include digital access. At the tent, we have our whole new line of flight gear bags. There is a bag for every mission. Swing by the tent and see what we have for you. Plenty of show specials. Electronic flight bag is essential in the cockpit today. Powering your device is just as essential. We have Sporty's brand new smart battery packs. The large guy, $79.95 show special, and the small one, $39.99. Swing by the tent and check them out. We have plenty of other products and deals. Swing by our tent at Sun and Fun. Come visit us right outside Hangar A.